and welcome to our channel. In this video we are talking about nails colors, showing you a bunch of beautiful shades to make your feet look fantastic, whether you are new to nail stuff you have or you love everything about beauty. This video is perfect for helping you find cool colors that will boost your confidence. Lots of choices, explore a wide range of toy nail colors that are waiting for you. Whether you prefer classic and simple nude tones or like bright neons and soft pastels, there are something for everyone. So see which colors match your style and personality and have fun expressing yourself through your toy nails. Our collection has a variety of colors to choose from. Whether you like traditional shades like red and nude, or more eye-catching options like neon and pastel colors, pick the ones that resonate with you and slow of your unique style and personality through your nail choices. Trendy colors, stay up to date with the latest trends and nail colors. We will show you the popular colors that everyone using. Be a trend setter and impress your friends with your awesome style. Painting tips, it's not just about the color, how you put it on matters too. We will show you how the easy steps to get your nails looking great. You will learn how to do it look like pro, even you if you are never done it before. Fun ideas. Take your nails to the next level with cool designs and decorations. We have got creative ideas for nail art and other ways to make you nails looking amazing. Let your imaginations run wild and make your nails stand out. Colors for the seasons. Different times of the year need different colors. We have helped you pick the right nails colors for each seasons. From bright and happy colors in the summer to cozy and warm colors in the winter, you will have ideas for every time of the year. From light to dark. See how dark colors can be dramatic and natural colors can be classy. We will show you how to we will show how to use dark shade like black and deep blue, and how to make cool looks with softer colors like gray and brown. Join the fun. We want to hear from you too. Tell us your favorite nails color in the comments and share your own nail art to Instagram, or you are right, might even be in your our next video. Feel amazing. There is something really awesome about having pretty toenails. Whether you are wearing sandals or just hanging out, the right nail color can make you feel great. Let